How to convert PDF to Excel without losing formatting. When converting PDF to Excel, the formatting can always be out of place, like rows and columns not working and values not being in the correct cells. In this video, we will show you 5 solutions to convert PDF to Excel with quality retained, both offline and online in the list. Considering conversion quality, file security, and work efficiency, System PDF Converter OCR is highly recommended. This app runs on Mac and Windows and provides excellent performance when processing conversions between PDF and other file formats. Go to System's website. Download and install System PDF Converter OCR on your computer. Run the program of this software. Go to the Converter tab. Drag your PDF files into the interface. Here, batch conversion is supported. Now your PDF files are displayed on the screen. Select all pages or type the page range you want to convert into Excel. Select to XLSX as output format. Hit the gear icon, then you can decide whether to combine all pages into a single Excel sheet or not. Click Apply to All and go with OK. Choose an output folder and click Convert to export PDF as Excel. The green check marks mean conversion is successful. Open the Excel file. You can see all the table and data are retained and well formatted. If you are hesitating about downloading a desktop converter, there are still 4 online free options for you to convert PDF to Excel. The first online PDF converter is able to extract. Go to the website of Invest in Tech. Select PDF to Excel from the Free Tools drop-down menu. Drag and drop or click white space to upload your PDF file. Wait for converting and download the converted Excel file on your computer. The second is I Love PDF. Go to the website of the Love PDF. Select PDF to Excel from all PDF tools. Drop your PDF into this online service. Here you can click plus icon to add more PDF files. Choose No OCR and click Convert to Excel. Wait for conversion and click Download Excel to save the converted PDF. Third one, PDF Converter. Search PDF Converter in Google browser. Click on the Choose File button or drag and drop to import PDF. Select to Excel to start converting PDF to Excel online free. Download the exported Excel file on your device. The last converter is PDF to Excel.com. Open the web page of PDF to Excel.com. Click on the Upload button or drag and drop the PDF file you want to convert. Wait for conversion. Download the converted Excel file by clicking Free Download. This is the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Or if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. For more useful PDF skills, subscribe to System channel and see you next video.